Stop just watching. Start speaking English with me. Welcome to Speak English Daily Series. Just repeat after me and improve your spoken English from day 1. These lessons are specially designed for beginners spoken English practice. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series, Day 3. In today's video, we'll practice speaking simple sentences in English where the learners often miss a preposition or use wrong preposition. Let's learn to speak sentences to fix these mistakes. I'll say each sentence 3 times. First, listen carefully. Repeat after me slowly. Repeat it confidently. Don't be shy. Don't worry about the mistakes. Speak loudly and clearly. I am afraid of dogs. Repeat slowly. I am afraid of dogs. Repeat confidently. I am afraid of dogs. She is good at painting. Repeat slowly. She is good at painting. Repeat confidently. She is good at painting. I am interested in learning English. I am interested in learning English. Speak confidently. I am interested in learning English. He is angry with me. Repeat slowly. He is angry with me. Repeat confidently. He is angry with me. Please wait for me. Repeat slowly. Please wait for me. Repeat confidently. Please wait for me. Listen to me carefully. Repeat slowly. Listen to me carefully. Repeat confidently. Listen to me carefully. It depends on the weather. Repeat slowly. It depends on the weather. Repeat confidently. It depends on the weather. She's married to a doctor. Repeat slowly. She is married to a doctor. Repeat confidently. She's married to a doctor. I'm tired of this work. Repeat slowly. I am tired of this work. Repeat confidently. I'm tired of this work. I'll apply for this job. Repeat slowly. I will apply for this job. Repeat confidently. I'll apply for this job. Tip. Prepositions are like fixed friends. If you change, there would be mistakes. Repeat it with me. Good job. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Save this video. Practice again. Type done after you have finished your practice. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you in the next lesson.